This is the Letwesaf Radar Perimeter Alarm Kit. I've been field testing this in the mountains of Washington, and as I transition from campgrounds to dispersed camping, I'm going to show you if it's a reliable source for your own camping security. Safety and peace of mind kind of are at the top of my list. Having a piece of gear that's going to help me feel more secure is going to be huge. And I just want to thank Letwesaf for sending me this radar motion alarm system. They're not paying me to tell you about this, but they did kindly send this to me for me to try. And what I like about this, number one, it's really simple to use. Number two, it doesn't require any internet connection. So I can be out there in the wilderness and I don't have to be connected to the internet for this to work. It is an alarm system. You've got your detector that you set out somewhere in your camp. And then you've got your receiver here, where you can actually pair this device to the detector. And if something comes within the perimeter of your detector, this will make a really loud sound. So this is something I would sleep with at night. And hopefully, if I don't sleep too soundly, this will wake me up. This will alert me if something is in the area. What I like about this is that you can set the standard 17 feet perimeter. You can have it go to 50 feet, or you can set a custom perimeter. So that's kind of cool. What I also like about it, besides the pretty green color, is that it's just going to give me peace of mind knowing that if I'm out here in bear country and if there happens to be a bear nearby and my alarm goes off, I can quickly either set my alarm for my car just to kind of scare it off, or I can get my bear spray ready. So it just gives me some time to get prepared. Now, if you're looking for a radar alarm system for your camp so you can feel kind of secure, you can go ahead and in the description, I'll have links to this device and a discount code. Here are my final thoughts after testing the Letwesaf radar alarm. While I didn't have any large animals trip the sensors this time, the system is reliable and incredibly easy to deploy. In a busy campground, it might be a little overkill, but for the peace of mind it gives you during a solo, deep woods trip, it's earned a permanent spot in my kit. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. I highly recommend. See you on the next one.